It is February 24th, 1836. Look at the sheer scale of General Santa Anna's Mexican army. Thousands of troops are settling into a massive encampment across the Texas desert, fully surrounding the crumbling adobe walls of the Alamo. For the men trapped inside, survival depends on this, the standard flintlock musket. To fire just one round, a defender has to pour powder, pack a heavy lead ball, and prime the pan. It is an agonizing 20-second reloading process, leaving them entirely exposed. When the sun finally dips below the horizon, the fighting simply stops. In 1836, soldiers are effectively blind in the dark. The defenders sit shivering in the pitch-black Texas cold, gripping their single-shot muskets, knowing dawn will bring a fresh swarm of bayonets over those walls. To survive a 19th century siege, an army requires two specific advantages: daylight to see their targets, and sheer numerical superiority to absorb heavy casualties. The original defenders have neither. Now let's run a thought experiment. Instead of a handful of exhausted frontiersmen, the defenders peering over those adobe walls are a fully equipped platoon of modern U.S. Navy SEALs. By applying modern tactical doctrine, the entire dynamic of the siege flips. When the sun goes down, the Mexican army receives no reprieve. The darkness becomes a lethal trap. Modern military doctrine actively exploits the rigid rules of historical warfare. Tier 1 operators use advanced technology to dismantle 19th century tactics before a traditional battle even starts. Traditional armies in the 1800s rely on strict linear troop formations to maintain order. Because radios do not exist, generals and officers wear highly visible uniforms, covered in ornate epaulets and polished metals, just so their men can see them giving orders through the gunsmoke. The direct countermeasure to that visible structure is the Mk-22 advanced sniper rifle. Equipped with a thermal scope, a modern sniper overwatch team detects the heat signatures of those specific commanding officers inside their tents. By firing subsonic rounds, ammunition specifically manufactured to travel slower than the speed of sound, to eliminate the loud sonic boom, these snipers accurately engage targets from 1,500 yards away in complete silence. Because the generals and key officers are methodically eliminated before the Mexican army even hears a gunshot, the chain of command collapses instantly. The thousands of troops outside the Alamo are reduced to a panicked, leaderless mob. This brings us to battle space visibility, a military term for knowing exactly where the enemy is and what they are doing. Right now, Santa Anna's forces have zero visibility. They are sitting in pitch-black conditions, entirely blind. The modern SEALs, on the other hand, utilize GPN VG-18 night vision goggles. These panoramic four-lens systems amplify ambient moonlight, allowing the operators to navigate the absolute darkness as if it were broad daylight. This schematic shows the Alamo from above. Silent quadcopters equipped with infrared cameras sweep over the enemy encampment, revealing hidden heat signatures. By converting these signatures into locked targets, this data feed provides an asymmetrical God's eye view of the entire battlefield. The old rule of battles pausing at night is obsolete. By utilizing infrared lasers and night vision, the operators maintain total lethality, while the 19th century enemy cannot even see their own hands. This chart illustrates the stark mathematical gap in firepower between the two eras. A highly skilled historical frontiersman maxes out at 3 rounds per minute. A single modern operator with automated weaponry outputs 800 rounds in that exact same 60 seconds. With their targets mapped, small fire teams move silently into the camps outside the walls using blinding flashbang grenades. With suppressed Mk-18 assault rifles, they launch a close-quarters infiltration while the soldiers are still asleep. If a group of Mexican infantry manages to organize a mass bayonet charge, they run into a wall of suppression. A single SEAL operating an M249 squad automatic weapon lays down such a concentrated volume of fire that physical advancement becomes impossible. This density of fire creates a physical and psychological environment where 19th century infantry tactics are impossible to maintain. The sheer volume of lead shatters the unit's cohesion, forcing a frantic, disorganized retreat to escape the kill zone. When the sun finally rises over the Texas desert on the morning of February 25th, the Alamo remains standing. The massive 19th century army that had fully surrounded it just hours earlier has abandoned the siege entirely. The surviving Mexican forces scatter across the plains. Their command structure is dead, their camps were raided in the dark, and they were routed by an invisible enemy producing incomprehensible noise and firepower. This shift in military dominance relies on several specific layers: the capture of time through night operations, the absolute control of information via drones, and the exploitation of enemy blindness. Modern supremacy is the result of total battle space dominance. By controlling the environment and securing high-fidelity intelligence, modern operators break the enemy's organization long before two armies ever line up on a traditional battlefield. If you want to explore more historical tactical experiments, subscribe to Heroes and Arsenals right now. Next time, we take our modern arsenal to the high seas. What exactly happens when a modern Apache helicopter goes toe-to-toe with a fully loaded galleon from the golden age of pirates?